Welcome back, everyone. Today's read aloud is Sparrow, Eagle, Penguin, and Seagull. What is a bird? By Brian P. Cleary. Part of the animal group's Arcat, the Oracle series. Bird, an animal that has feathers covering all or most of its body. Birds are feathered animals. Their mouths are bills or beaks, and they can live most anywhere in deserts, woods, or creeks. Though there are different kinds of birds, they share a list of traits. For instance, all have backbones, so they're known as vertebrates. Every type of bird breathes air. They all have just 2 legs. Their forearms are their wings, and baby birds are born from eggs. Feathers serve to block the sun and keep birds warm and dry. They help them in attracting mates, and plus they help them fly. Feathers can help birds blend in. They keep some safe and sound by hiding them from predators in flight and on the ground. Birds are called warm-blooded because they make their bodies heat. This keeps their temperature just right, a trait that's pretty neat. Whether they eat nectar, fish, or algae, bugs, or seeds, each bird has a beak or bill that suits its feeding needs. All birds walk and most can fly. A few, like ducks, can swim. Some hang out in nooks and nests. Some go out on a limb. Cockatoos can be quite loud. Some parrots speak with words. Doves and pigeons are among the quietest of birds. Some birds, like the hummingbird, throughout their lives are small. The largest is the ostrich, which can grow to 9 feet tall. Can you name any birds that are unable to take flight? The kiwi and the ostrich and the penguin all are right. What bird dines on little mice, has 3 eyelids, not 2, has hearing that's incredible? An owl does. That's who. If you should give some pigeons food, they'll often come right at you. And later, they won't use a toilet. They'll just find a statue. Uh-oh. Fly to our back pages now. You're sure to learn more things about the many types of birds than you'll have earned your wings. So what is a bird? Do you know? The end. We hope you enjoyed today's read aloud of Sparrow, Eagle, Penguin, and Seagull. Until next time, see you real soon. Bye.